Are you sure about that?
Hey, honey.
Hey, buddy. Hi.
And we got Mike this time.
Oh, crap. This is the last one. It's now late.
Just in case you didn't catch it the first couple of times.
It's late August, and it's time for our next installment. Oh.
It's a popo.
Why?
It's a popo.
At the pop-out.
Oh, shit. I'm not even drunk and I tripped over that.
I saw it. That was a big ass rock.
Oh, baby. Not you.
Well, this is us.
Hey.
We keep going to you.
Hey.
Hey.
Van's open. I wonder if somebody's fucking in the back seat.
Huh? What?
Fucking van's open.
Huh.
Hold on. Just looking. This is why we can't have nice things, Moon. People leave their shit open.
Cause yeah.
Yeah, wide open, dudes.
Yeah. So let's go back here. We're gonna. I don't know who owns this. I don't give a shit. Complete fucking moron tonight.
Mike, honk honk.
Fail
truck. So let's keep going.
Mike likes my DJing.
Which would be wild, yeah. Oh, and she follow up. I feel a little demasculated. I got nothing. Got nothing.
Your balls are in the wrong place. I can't hold it. My pants are gonna fall down too. What the hell?
It's not that kind of video, Barb. Control yourself. God damn.
Oh, no.
That's a Miller Lite talking. Holy crap.
That's the Miller Lite talking.
I think I just made my pee his pants.
No, I'm not that good.
What? She's not that good.
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, I'm not that.
Wait, what? What are we talking about now?
Shantae, don't view this. Sorry.
Stop.
In the name of love. If you love this man, you will not watch this video.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Will, you are missing out.
Yeah.
Fail.
Drop. Oh, if I had that when I was on the radio, it would play every day before it. Every day before it.
Wait. My contribution.
That, however, would not.
Damn
She's
it.
done it in our last few videos, including the one the Buffalo Burp Trio commented
Oh,
on.
jeez.
Where's the uploads, guys? You said you were going to look for a couple others.
Okay, so that Steve guy has songs in real life. We got Belches in real life.
What are you looking at me for? I ain't got none.
Moral support.
Yes, that's what I'm here for.
Give us a round of applause.
Guys.
Who has 2 thumbs and is our moral support? That guy.
Who has 2 thumbs that supports us?
2 Tums.
Who has 2 tits and what?
I'm going home. Eventually.
She said 2 Tums.
That sounded like a fucking AR or some shit. Oh God. Goodness gracious. Right. Balls of fire.
Actually, you know what? Were there flowers anywhere along this path?
I don't believe I saw it.
I don't know, Grandma. Let's go hiking.
We're gonna go for
Oh my
flowers.
god.
I fucking farted again.
Because I want to find someone.
Oh. Make him go, what? Where the fuck did these flowers come from? Huh? Oh?
Run, Amy, run!
We now follow the Kowalczyk as she sniffs out her prey, you see, and she's going into the bushes now. And going to ruffle around there a little bit. Maybe come back with what she sees. Fascinating.
Mike, we need you along for more fucking videos.
The funny thing is, I haven't really been drinking. I had like, what, 2 beers all night? 3? 3.
When the one you spilled.
And the one, well, okay, 2, the one I spilled.
2.5, we'll give you.
Damn. Barb, on the other hand.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hi.
Chris.
Yes, don't tell.
What the fuck?
What the hell is that?
It's a rock.
Definitely.
Okay, time to go.
Definitely a rock.
Bye, kid.
Definitely.
Let's go.
Definitely a rock, yeah.
Yeah,
I've never
let's
seen
go.
another rock any bigger than that. Yeah, definitely no rock. Oh, God, I don't like the car. Definitely don't like the car.
Da.
Where are we going to after this, by the way?